Hey YouTube, it's Lawrence from happyko coming at you once again for this week's video. I hope you enjoy. So today I plan on showing you and kind of reviewing an app that me and Drew love using. A lot of people want to know about apps they can use for, you know, music production and things like that, because a lot of people don't know that there's some good phone apps out there. So I'm gonna get right to it. Here's an app review from happyko's Lawrence Lopez. So the app I'm going to be talking about today is called Samsung Notes. Now, those of you who have an iPhone, you might need to download the iPhone version of this. I don't know what that's called, probably iPhone Notes. But anyway, this one is called Samsung Notes, and I'm going to click on it right here. And basically, the cool thing about this app is you can write notes in it with your hand. So I'm going to click the Add button right here, and as you can see, here, let me focus the camera. As you can see, as simple as that, I can now start typing my note. There's a title section here, so I can touch that and type in, you know, note. So that and then for the note section itself, you can either type on the keyboard like that and it'll come up on the note, or you can select pen up here. That's usually what I do. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. Click on pen right there, and you can draw the note. See? And I'll give you a quick example. Hello. This is, and you scroll up and down with this thing. See? A note. And then once you finish your note, you go up to the top here and you select Save, and it will save your note in this section here. See, there's my note. See? So that's Samsung Notes. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. And those of you who are getting ready to write your note, be sure that you save your work periodically, because you don't want to get halfway through your note and then your phone, you know, heaven forbid, your phone shuts off or something like that, and you lose your all your unsaved work. So save your note periodically when you're working on it. And that's about it from me. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, happyko. You can go to our website, happyko.com. A lot of you don't know we have a website, and our music's on there. You can click on that. And be sure, the most important thing you can do for us is leave a comment and let us know what you want to see in these future videos.